Alright guys, you're welcome again. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to design a blog from your WordPress. Remember I told you guys that you're going to learn a lot from this program, and guess what, I'm just giving these programs, I'm just teaching you guys these things for free. So I'm super excited that finally, after showing you several things on how to buy your domain name, how to buy your hosting, and how to migrate from your dashboard to your cPanel, and I also showed you guys how to create your forwarders, your autoresponders, and your professional email. We have succeeded in doing those ones, and if you have not watched those videos, make sure that you watch it because it's very important. Don't forget, because there is no video that I'm showing you guys on this web design program that is not relevant. Everything I'm showing you here are very important. All right, so ensure that you follow the video step by step with no step skips. All right, so make sure that everything you are watching it and you are following it as I'm showing you guys. All right, so if you have not watched the previous videos, make sure you send me a message so I can direct you on how to follow it sequentially. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to design a blog. But before I will show you how to design a blog, there's something very important I would like to show you guys. All right, so I'm going to show you guys this in very few minutes. All right, very important. All right, remember guys, I told you guys that the web design training we are going to be doing is going to be coming, or we are going to be designing those sites, including company website, e-commerce website, NGO website, and blog. I told you guys that we are going to be doing it from, or we are going to be doing it with WordPress. All right, WordPress is a software or an app that helps you to create website or blog without coding. What I mean without coding is that you don't need to have any programming language, or you don't need to study any special computer hack or skill. All right, you just need to just follow using normal drag and drop, which is just the normal way you can use to upload things in the internet, right? So in this video now I'm going to show you guys how to design a blog. But before I will do that, there's an important thing I would like to show you guys, very important. All right, and that is theme. All right, so theme. So what is theme? Theme is just like an already made template that contains information, or that contains all the things that you need to build your website. All right, that is the simplest definition of it, or the simplest explanation of that. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. Theme is very important in this our training. All right, so if you are going to succeed in designing a website without having to do all those coding and all those sophisticated stuffs, you have to make sure that you know what themes is all about and how to get it. All right, so I want to show you guys how to get a theme. All right, theme is very important. It is too important in your web designing career or profession. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. I believe, but as I'm showing you, you understand better of what I'm talking about. So okay, now look at my website. I'm going to show you my website once again. You see this website, FCO Innovation. Everything you are seeing here, all right, it is loading. All right, okay, you see all these things, it is true that I did it, I did most of it. All right, but the truth is that you see all these things now, these things are themes. Theme, this is a theme that was bought, that was paid for, and it was delivered, and these themes are the thing that made me to design this website in less than 24 hours. All right, so this theme, this is everything you are seeing here, from home, services, portfolio, courses, blog, about us. Everything you are seeing here are all they are all built up in a team. All right, so you don't need to be giving yourself a lot of stress in building website from scratch. You don't need to do that. All right, so you can just easily go to the place I'm going to show you now. to get themes, so that when you enter into your WordPress dashboard, you just start editing, and you see that in less than 24 hours or in less than 12 hours you have finished designing your website. Remember guys, I told you that web designers make a lot of money online. I told you guys, right? So you have to know this. The thing that makes a web designer successful is not stress, is not hard work, is not over seriousness or over designing skill or coding. Do you understand? It is simplifying things, finding a way to build something in a simple way. That is the thing that makes a successful web designer. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a team that will make your life so easy in your web designing career. Alright, so the first theme I'm going to show you, or the first website that gives you free themes or free templates that you can use to build your website, is this. The first one is teamforest.com. As you can see it here, teamforest.com. Are you seeing it? Teamforest.com. So what we'll do here is that we'll go to this website and get themes that will make our web design or our website so beautiful. Are you seeing it? So this place, it has over 52,066 WordPress themes and website templates. Alright, although this one you pay, but I'm still coming for that. So in this particular website called Team Forest, you can get themes to design any kind of website. This is a secret I'm showing you guys. Are you seeing it? Now, out of these 52,000 themes, which one are you going to select? Now, before you, so that you not get yourself confused here, right? So anytime you are designing a website, you have to make sure that you know the kind of website you are designing. All right, so let's say that we are designing a blog. We are not coming for a website now. I told you guys that we are going to design a blog in this video, right? But I am going to split this video into two. The first one is how to get a theme. All right, then in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to start designing your blog. All right, so in this place I'm going to search for theme. All right, and that theme is going to be entertainment theme or blog theme. All right, so to do that, just go to this place, just hop into search. As you can see here, just type, either you type blog theme or you type entertainment. Are you seeing it? So once you type it, you just give it some minutes, it will load, and you now see several templates or several themes. But as you are seeing these themes, notice something. As you can see, the first one is entertainer, a WordPress theme for the entertainment industry. Now as I seen this theme, also notice that the price of this one is $59. Are you seeing it? And but the problem with this particular theme is that it has only two. It has only two stars. Are you seeing a star rating? Which means this theme is not popular. All right. Now look at another one. Let's look at this one. This one is theater, concert, and art event entertainment. This one is the same price with the other one, but this one has over 5-star rating. As you can see, are you seeing it? 4.5 star rating. So it is better that I choose this one instead of this one. All right, but that is not, I'm not going to choose this one yet. If I'm interested in this one, which is the theater theme, if by any way I'm interested in it, I'm still going to do another investigation. All right, so I'm going to click on it. It will open. Don't forget to preview the theme you want to get. It is very important. Preview means that you want to see how the theme will look, how it is going to display, or how it's going to be on your website. All right, so just go to this preview item. It will open another tab. Open the tab. All right, this thing should load fast now. Load. I accept. All right, now look at this. This is how this theme is going to look in my website. Are you seeing it? Don't just mind about the pictures. We can still change all those pictures that are showing in a slide. But this is basically how the theme is going to look. Are you seeing it? Welcome to the motion theater, blah blah blah. I can change all those things, featured shows. And now look at this thing. These are the latest posts you'll be making in your blog. All right. So if for example your blog is an entertainment blog, or if it is a fashion blog, or if it is a gossip blog, or maybe something about lifestyle blog, all right, so every post you make will be listed here, and it will be showing together with the featured pictures. All right, it will be showing in a row like this. But this one up here, this one is going to be the home image. All right, this one is static. It is going to be the home image of the featured image, while these ones are the posts. These ones are the posts that you'll be making. Maybe for example, assuming that you posted 10 new topics or 10 new things today, it will be included here, and it will be just be showing in a slide. Are you seeing it? Okay, now it will just show the title, the picture, and maybe this button that shows if you want to read it, you can click on it. Are you seeing it? So this theme is okay. All right, are you seeing it? Now these are other pattern, or maybe okay, this one are sub categories. Are you seeing it? So these ones, if you want to read all about drama in your in the website, you can click here. If you want to read about ballet, opera, something like that. Are you seeing it? So this is how we get things for our website project, or for our blog design project. Are you seeing it? So guys, this is it. I'm just showing you a very powerful secret. Now many people not show you guys, and at the end you just end up designing a site that is not professional. Please, if you are designing, if you are taking a project from someone, maybe a client paid you to design a website or a blog, make sure that you give the person the best. It is better to charge the person for everything. Maybe if the person wants a website or a blog that is highly professional, charge the person very well, and make sure that you get the best team, a team that will show that you actually know what you're doing. Are you seeing it? Just make sure that you hop into this website and maybe get your team or buy your team. All right, now I'm going to close this this one, and I'll search for another team that may be interesting. All right, this one, like I said before, is 52 minutes. Okay guys, so that is it about getting the theme from Team Forest. All right, so make sure that when you want to get your theme, get one that has a good review. All right, so that maybe you don't have any issue installing the theme, and also trying to customize the theme when you are building your blog. All right, so, and again, look at this one too. This one is about music, but it's not necessarily that you must use this theme to to design a blog that has to do with music. All right, you can still edit it to maybe fashion blog. You can use it to create fashion blog. You can also use it to create another kinds of blog. All right, so let me open it so that we can look into it and see what it has for us. Okay, all right, now look at this one. Okay, let me go to the preview and see how it will look in our website or in our blog. All right, okay, now check the main demo. Let's check the main demo. Wow, man, this is super cool, man. This is very cool. You see what I told you guys? I told you guys that it is no more that you must use it for your main for music blog. All right, so you can use it for any kind of blog. All right, so this was built with a music concept. All right, which is music flow, but it's not must. All right, it's not must. You can use it to create a fashion blog, um, maybe a travel blog, or anything at all. Right, so it mustn't be music. All right, so this theme is okay. It's very okay. You see, the layout is very beautiful. You know, the way they keep the things. As you can see, this is how theme is. This is how theme is. Theme will help you to, you know, get an already designed template, and an already made template that will just help you to you know, design your blog or your website. All right, so I'm gonna leave this theme forest. All right, but just know that theme forest is a place you get, you know, theme for your website or your blog project. All right, so when you want to design a blog for a client or for yourself, you can check out themes in this place, which is theme forest. All right, don't forget. So another platform I'm going to show you that you can get your theme is you can get theme at Jojo Themes. All right, if you type Jojo theme in your browser, in your Chrome, so this is the website, jojothemes.net. all right, www.jojothemes.net. So when you open it, it's gonna open, and you will see other themes like Team Forest. But the exciting thing about this one is that the exciting thing about this Jojo team is that, like Team Forest, you get teams, but after you have paid. All right, so you buy team from Team Forest. All right, but do you know what, in this particular, you know, website called jojoteams.net, you don't have to pay anything. You don't need to pay anything, guys. You don't need to pay anything. All the teams here are free. They are super free. All right, so I'm gonna search for that entertainment, sorry, entertainment, you know, team. Now look at this thing. Do you know that most of those teams that we saw on in Team Forest, do you know that you can get it here? Yes, you can get it here. All right, so this place gives you free teams, free teams. All right, so we are gonna select one of, okay, look at that theater. Remember that theater I showed you guys, the first team that we selected when we went to Team Forest? This is it here. Are you seeing it? Although this one is theater version 1.1.4. Are you seeing it? So I didn't check the previous version of the one we got at Team Forest, but this is just the same team that we got here. All right, so this is the team. This is the write-up, you know, what the things you can read and see. All right, now you can download this team for free. Are you seeing it? You can download it for free, but to check if truly this team is what they say it is, you can just copy this link. You can copy this link and open it and see the demo is just like a live preview, how it will look in your website. That is what demo is. All right, so this is it, preview item. Okay, it's loading. All right, now look at that thing. You see the same thing we saw in Team Forest. It is just here. Are you seeing it? It is just the same thing. You know, I told you about this featured team. This is the home featured team. I mean, the one that is that the biggest team in your blog or on your website. Right, are you seeing it? So these ones are just your posted um uh your posted pictures and the title and other and the rest of it. Are you seeing it? So this is just amazing, man. You can get these themes free here. You can get these themes free here. Are you seeing it? So I will not just waste our time. Let me just show you how to download this theme to your PC. Okay, so let me close this tab. I will close. Okay, I think yeah, I will close this one too. Okay, so this is the download links. Are you seeing it? So this one is just to see the demo. This one is for the demo, which is the link is this. Are you seeing it? But if you want to download this theme, you either use this link or you use this one. Are you seeing it? So you either use this http blah blah blah. Are you seeing it? Or you use this one. But my friends, please make sure that you make use of this thing, this particular link, I mean, make use of this link, because this one has HTTPS. So this link, this particular site is secured. This S, I told you before in one of our videos, I told you that any website that does not have S, the site is not secured. Are you with me? And even if you want to make payment in a site that does not have this S means security. Any site that does not have this S, don't pay through that site. Don't give your details, your personal details or your credit details to this website. All right, so always make use of zpshare.com to download your free themes. All right, don't forget. Okay, so I'm gonna download the theme with this from this site. So once you have highlighted, you open it in a new tab. All right, wow, look at this. They say file have expired and does not exist. All right, so which means either the owner of this web of the team, maybe the people that uploaded the team have deleted the team, or maybe something went wrong. All right, but I'm still gonna download one of the teams so that you can know how to download the teams. All right, I'm gonna download one of the teams. Okay, let me just look for let me refresh this because it's not showing me everything I need to see. Alright, okay, let me just okay, this one is fashion and entertainment. All right, so let me just open this one because of time. Let me just open this one. Okay, so when you open it, just go direct to the download link. So are you seeing that this one has numerous download links? Are you seeing it? So out of all these download links, it is only few of them that are kept in a secure site. See, this one is https, and https. Are you seeing it? Wow, ZPShare does not have https. All right. Wow. But I always download my things from this place because I'm not going to pay. So I encourage you guys to use this ZPShare because I've tried it and didn't give me any problem while downloading. So you can make use of ZipShare or ZPShare, right? Okay. This one also expired. Wow. Alright, guys. So just know that okay, I must download one thing today. I must download the theme from this site. I will download the theme. Very important. Very important. It is good that these things are showing up. All right, so that when you are looking for your theme and maybe the theme you want to download, they told you that the thing the link have expired, so that you not feel disappointed. All right, so in every disappointment is an appointment. All right, so don't give up. All right, so we'll keep on searching for a theme. I'm just trying to show you guys how to download a theme from Jojo Themes. Okay, so if we try this one and it does not work, I will pause this video and make sure that I find a theme that actually has a downloadable link. Alright, so let me check this one. Okay, as you can see, are you seeing it? This theme is available. Alright, so they say that you have requested the file. Now look at this thing. Another thing I forgot to tell you about is all these free themes, they have a lot of issues. All right, the one of the issues is that they keep on popping up ads. They will be blocking your site with ads. All right, so but you just have to endure it. All right, because you are getting it for free. All right, okay, I don't know. So you have to battle with the ads till you get what you want. All right, so just don't mind. So this one is for free. Now look at, are you seeing several download links? Download here, download here, download here. So you can even get confused on which link to click if you want to download. Are you seeing it? the ads are too much. So if you want to download, just neglect this one and neglect this one. Go to this place, this download. Let me close this thing. I don't know why it is. Okay, make sure you use this one. Use this download now. All right, don't click on the other ones. All right, so click on this one. Wow, it will be popping up ads, but you keep on clicking on it still. Okay, we're gonna, this is how we get free things. Nothing is free in this time, but even if it is free, you have to do one or two things before you get a free stuff. Okay, are you seeing it? The thing is now downloading. You see it? I have now gotten I'm now downloading the file. Are you seeing it? Okay, so this is how to get your free theme. All right, so don't forget, this is how to get your free themes. All right, but I didn't preview this theme, because of time. I left, I forgot to preview it, but let me just quickly preview the theme and see how or what the theme is going to look like in our website or in our blog. Okay, so let me just preview that theme once again. Okay, live preview. Although this particular theme is not I don't think it is an entertainment. It's for entertainment blog. Are you seeing it? Okay, just like blog, just like a website theme. Are you seeing it? I think this theme is an e-commerce theme. Are you seeing? Because it has cards, it has product, it has service. It is an e-commerce theme. Okay, but it's okay. But although I don't need it for this particular video, I don't need it, but I just downloaded it to show you guys how to download the theme. All right, so if you want to download the theme and it is showing you many ads, just make sure you keep on fighting till you get the theme. All right, so finally let me show you another website that can give you a free theme, just like this jojo themes.net. all right, so I'm gonna show you another website which is WP Locker. Make note of all these things I'm telling you guys, because these things are very, very essential. Are you seeing it? WPlocker.com. It gives you free theme. All right, so I'm gonna rush this video, this particular one. I'm gonna rush it. Okay, now this is it. As you can see, this one also has advertisements. So this is an ad. This is an ad because they are giving it to you free, so they will keep on putting ads. So let me just click on entertainment. Let me say entertainment theme. Okay, let me search. Okay, let me just show you this one, for example. Okay, look at that theater. Wow, I love this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, it means that, so just endure the ads. Are you seeing the same theme we saw on both Team Forest and we saw it on Team Forest and also on Jojo Team? Are you seeing it? The same theater, blah blah blah. Are you seeing it? So make sure you make use of ZP Share. If you want to download this theme, make use of ZP Share. All right, so that is how to download free themes and paid themes. If you go to Team Forest and you want to download the premium theme and you want to pay for it, just follow the steps and I believe it will not give you any headache. Okay, so this is how to download and how to get your themes for your WordPress, for your website, for your blog, and for the rest. All right, so but before I end this video, I want to tell you something. All these free themes, all right, all these free themes, I always say that despite the fact that they are free, does not mean that it is compared to premium theme, which is the one you pay. All right, so if you get a free theme and you have someone that has a premium theme, don't say that it's the same thing, because it's not the same thing. All right, so most times or sometimes these free themes have one or two issues when you are trying to make use of it to design a website or your blog. All right, so either they ask you to update one of the plugin or one of the features in it. which if you don't update it, it may start giving you one or two problems. All right, but basically you can still find a team that has everything you need. All right, but I want you to know that not all free teams has everything you need. All right, so these are free teams and it is not always complete. All right, so make sure that when you are getting your teams, you ask yourself if you have the money to buy the premium team or you want it free. All right, so let me just quickly show you guys the website that you can get your team from. All right, so in the screen I'm going to share the website and make sure that you okay. So these are the these are the teams. All right, this is it. The first one is the premium team is from teamforest.net. The second one is, which is the free one, is Juju Teams, which you can get at jujuteams.net. The third one is WP Locker at www.wplocker.com. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video I'm going to show you guys how to start designing your blog. All right, thank you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. I'm begging you. Ensure that you subscribe so that you always get the best of us. All right, thank you.